Alright, what's going on guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to today's very special video. I'm going to show you the easiest $20 that you can make in 5 minutes using ChatGPT. And also, I've got all of the prompts that I'm going to be using in this video compiled into this Google Doc. If you'd like a copy of it, just drop a comment below and then I'll reply to you with a copy to this Google Doc so that you can actually get started and just copy and paste exactly what I'm doing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging ChatGPT to basically build a business for us on autopilot. Now, this is really cool because I'm actually doing this business remotely. I've been traveling all over. Currently, right now, I'm in Texas and stayed on the beach. So this exact strategy allows you to basically work remotely from anywhere in the world, anywhere you want. So let's break it down. We're going to first start off by grabbing this first prompt right here. We're going to copy it and we're going to head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt in just like this. Now you can see ChatGPT is getting to work. Basically what it's doing is it's finding the top 50 businesses that we can sell leads to. It's going to give us the exact markets that we want to go into. And it's also going to categorize it on how much we can actually make per lead, which is really, really helpful. So you can see here, like they suggest roofing contractors, which will pay anywhere from $50 to $200 per lead. HVAC, which anywhere from $50 to $200. Solar panel installers, anywhere from $75 to $250 per lead. So on and so forth. So we're going to let this continue working, and then we're going to continue forward and use our next prompt from the doc over here. Okay, so before you pick a niche out of that list from ChatGPT, it is helpful if you actually focus on one area of town. So like I said, I'm currently in Texas right now. I'm on the road, just came from the beach, but right now I'm currently in Beaumont, Texas. So just pull up in Google Maps and you can pick anywhere you want. It doesn't matter if you're in a different country than the United States. You can be in India, China, wherever you want and still target the United States, or you can target a town that's near you. But I'm going to target Beaumont for this video. So knowing that Texas, it gets lots of sun, so maybe let's try solar panel installers. So we're going to go back to our Google Doc here, and we're going to copy prompt number 2 over into ChatGPT. We're going to insert a niche that we like from the list, so solar panel installers. And ChatGPT is going to get to work giving us some ideas of services that we can actually promote with social media to help these solar panel installers get more leads. Now, the way this is going to work is we're going to create content using AI, and every time we generate a lead for a solar panel installer, we're going to make anywhere from $75 to $250 per lead. So let's let this finish working, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so it came up with an offer idea here, which is $0 down solar plus lower energy bill offer. So basically the offer is find out if your home qualifies for solar with no money down. So we're basically generating leads where people are going to reach out to see if they qualify for this. So the first step is we're going to have to go and grab a tracking phone number. This is going to be the phone number that we're going to place in all of our social media content so that when people call, it's actually tracked and then we can sell the lead over to a solar company. So to do that, we're going to use my call tracking software, Dialhawk. Now, I will let you know that if you go to dialhawk.com, you're going to pay a very, very expensive price for it. Or if you go to this link right here, pauljames.com/activate, I have a link where you can get started for as little as $54. And then that'll give you access to track all of your leads on autopilot so that you don't have to do it manually. You could, of course, do it manually, use your own phone number, and then, be the middleman between the business and the solar company and the customer. But it's just easier if you have a tracking phone number set up. So I'm going to create a new campaign inside of Dialhawk, and we're going to name it something like Solar Beaumont, Texas. And the cost per call, we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT said anywhere from 75 to 100 or 250 per lead. So let's just say $100 per lead, maybe 125. It's kind of in the middle. Okay, we're going to save the campaign. And now we're going to go under phone numbers, and we're going to buy a new phone number for the state of Texas. This works in every country, by the way, not just the United States. You can choose a different country from the dropdown if you want. Okay, now we're going to choose a number from Texas. It's going to run $1.15 for this phone number, and that's going to allow us to track all of our leads on autopilot. Okay, so there's our phone number inside of our account, and we're going to use this now to create our videos. And we're going to use AI to create the videos. So the first thing that we want to do before we use this phone number, though, is we want to set it up to start forwarding leads to some solar companies in Beaumont, Texas, or nearby. So I went into Google, and there's lots of companies here that are sponsored, and that means they're paying Google for ads, like for leads for solar. So what I want to do is I want to just copy and paste some of these solar companies over into Dialhawk. And the way I do that is I edit the phone number here. I'll name the friendly name something I'll remember, like Solar Beaumont, Texas. This is just for your reference so that you remember. And then under forwarding, we're going to select multiple numbers all at once. We're going to enable to remember the person that answered. And then we're going to start pasting in like 3 or 4 solar companies in here with commas separating them just to tell Dialhawk which one's which. So here's another one here. I'm going to do 3, I think, on this one. But feel free to do up to like 5 if you want. That just means that whenever someone calls your tracking phone number, it's going to ring all 5 of these people at once. And whoever answers the phone first is going to get the lead. And the lead is going to be tracked to them so that you can bill them $125 per call. And this all happens on autopilot, by the way, which is why this system is so powerful. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to go ahead, and before I save this, I'm going to do something else. Under call features, I'm going to implement what's called, or enable what's called the whisper feature. And I'm going to say this free lead was provided to you by Paul. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to save this. Every time someone calls our tracking phone number, this number right here that I'm highlighting, it's going to forward automatically to those 3 companies that we pulled out of Google right here all at once. Whichever one of these companies answers the call first is going to get in touch with that customer. But before they are allowed to talk to the customer, that message is going to play at the beginning of the call that said, this free lead was provided to you by Paul. From that point, I'll be able to look in my reporting tab inside of Dialhawk, and I'll be able to see when they got that lead. And then I can go and look on their website for an email or for a form that I can fill out, or I could call them if I want. But it's up to you. If you don't want to call, you can look for an email or a form that you can fill out. Here's their email right here. And I'm going to say, hey, I'm Paul. I'm the guy that's been sending you the leads. I'd like to keep sending them to you. They're $125 per lead. And that's it. If they agree, then you just go back in and you create an invoice for them. And now every time moving forward, they're going to get billed $125 per call. And you're going to get paid automatically into your Stripe or your PayPal account, depending on what you set up. Okay, so again, you can get the discounted price on this for $54 by going to pauljames.com/activate. But the next step is we need to take this tracking phone number now that it's set up, and we need to put it into a video. So you can use something called UGC Valet. I'll have a link to it inside of this Google Doc here. UGC Valet will make videos like this. You just hit the plus sign and you walk through a series of prompts. It'll make spokesperson type videos. So you pick the kind of spokesperson you want for the video, and then it'll create it for you. Here's an example of one that I created.
Your very own backyard.
My internet's a little laggy because I'm in the RV, but you get the point. It actually does speak like full words, and it'll go through the whole entire thing. And it also has my tracking phone number in here as well. There it is. That's my tracking phone number. Okay, so that's option number 1. That's UGC Valet. This creates voice actor type videos, which is great. The other thing that you can use, which is also in the Google Doc, is invideocreator.com. It works very similar. You just go in and type in what kind of video you want to create. So I would say, I want to create a video for a solar install company in Beaumont, Texas to help. I would use this exact offer, right? Let me show you. The offer was find out if you qualify. So I would basically paste this into there. I like to use version 2. And I would make sure that it included my tracking phone number as well. Okay, so please have them call, put my tracking phone number in there, and have them respond yes. I'll say, or have them respond yes to get a appointment. Okay, so I could also do that as well and generate a video that way. And this is what those videos look like.
Illuminated. dad's
Again, my internet is pretty bad right now because of the fact that I'm on the road and I'm operating off a cell phone. But you can see it's very similar, only these videos are AI generated. They still have our tracking phone number in it, and it uses stock images rather than a voice actor. So again, this will all be in the Google Doc for you, and you can go, pick whichever one you like better. If you like the actor type look, you can use that. If you like the stock image look, you can do that. But what you're going to do is you're going to take that video that you created with AI and you're going to upload it into some social media accounts. So you're going to go and create an Instagram account and you're going to name it something like I love Beaumont, Texas. And you're going to take that video and you're going to post it on the IG page that you named this. So you're going to upload the video there. You're going to get a bunch of people that are going to respond yes because they want to get that offer, see if they qualify. You're going to DM those people your tracking phone number from here. And then there's also going to be a certain number of people that don't respond yes, and they just call the number that was listed in the video that you posted. And that's it. From that point, you're going to start generating tons of leads and you're going to leverage the power of ChatGPT and AI to sell these leads to seller companies on complete autopilot, which allows you to make money and travel the world just like I'm doing. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.